What is up, guys? You guys ready to see a new software that I've been working on that's going to be going into the Go High Level Marketplace app? And this is a lead scraper software. If you guys have never basically like, if you guys never basically like scraped leads or went on Google Maps and you ever like went on Google Maps and typed in a business and then you're like, oh, I wish I could get this email, this lead. Well, let me show you guys what I've been working on. And this is going to be like actually like a live training of just me building out the software. So if you guys are here watching the replay, what is up? And if you're here watching live, even freaking better. I love my live friends. All right. So we're going to share the entire screen. Hopefully you guys can see it. And boom, baby. All right. So here is the software. All right. So this is the map software that I've been working on the last like 3-4 days. All right. So check out what this thing does. All right. If I come in here and I type in, let's just say I type in lawyer Las Vegas. All right. I type in lawyer Las Vegas and then I could choose how many results. I'll say up to 500. And then I could hit search. And then it's literally going to go to Google Maps and it's going to search Google Maps. Bam. All right. And we're scraping back Google Maps. Like, give me back those leads, baby. All right. And then it's going to come back down here in a few seconds as soon as it's done searching. And it's going to give us, boom, all of the lawyers in Las Vegas. Look at all those guys. Look at all of them, right? All right, we click on one of them. You can see Bren Boyer injury and car accident lawyer, Las Vegas. All right, I got their phone number. I got their address. I got their everything. All right, so I could scroll down here where it says the search results. There's 272 results. All right, so you can see I have one of these, and then you can see that there's their phone number, their website, all of this. But there's also this cool little green button called scrape. And so I'm going to hit scrape and boom, that one failed because not every website could get scraped. Okay. That one failed also. No worries. Let's scrape this one. Boom. All right. Let's scrape a couple. I think I already kind of scraped a few of these. So let me show you guys what happens when the result comes back. So this is Benson and Bigham car accident and personal injury attorney. It came back with the info, the email, info at bensonbingham.com. So we have an email now. So we just scraped their website and got the email, and we have all their social links. So I could click right here, boom, pop it up, and boom, what's up? I could follow these guys. I could message them. Look, I'm going to message them right now. What's up? Conversation topic, dog, other. Career. Oh, okay. What's up? All right. I'm gonna say, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Hit me up when you need a new website. I got you, boo. All right. All right, so we can send him a message. What's up? All right, so we just literally in that amount of time, we just did our first outreach. You know what I mean? So this software, that's what it does. We also have an email, so I could pop this over and I could go to like my Gmail, right? And I could go to my Gmail and I could just send them a freaking message, right? I have my Gmail for my whole freaking life, and I could send them a Gmail. Let's click this. We got. As soon as it clicks, compose any second now. Boom, info, website. Hello. If you ever need a new website, I got you. I'm here in, I'm here in Vegas also. All right, send. All right, so now we just reached out to them in 2 freaking ways. All right, if you have a new website, I got you. All right, and we could send that. All right, so you can see within a few seconds, we could reach out to them manually in this process. All right, and then we could go through every single one that has emails. All right, there is a scrape all button right here. So it says scrape all websites, and that will go through and scrape every single website on this whole entire thing and give you back all the emails found for each one of these. Okay, so that is, look, it's like Shandon at Spartacus Law Firm, right? So you could reach out to each one of these, get a website building client, connect with them, whatever you're offering them. Okay. So here is the part that I have. That's my next step. All right. So you see how basically I use what's called Aspire Builder Pro. All right. If you guys didn't know, Aspire Builder Pro is a GHL white label. I pay for basically the highest package offered. So it's a white label plus it's the HIPAA compliant version. And this gives you the ability to send outreaches. Okay. So basically like automations, emails, text messages, phone calls, voiceless mail drops, all that cool stuff. All right. So you can see right here inside, I have an email set up and this is called outreach. So I have connected this software, the ability to send emails on an automation process into this map software. All right. So if we go into this, all right, if we go over into this, you can see one, we can export our search by CSV. So this will export the entire thing by a CSV. Okay. You can see we have a CSV, it downloads, and it has all of our leads. Okay. Any second. All right. So this is all of our leads, all of the emails in the leads. So if you guys were ever to sell leads, you can do that also. You can basically go through every city and state or the top 25 city and states or top 50 city and states, grab all this data. And then now you could offer this. It has the phone numbers, it has the emails, all of this stuff, and you could offer it for sale. Okay. So this is a way that you can make a little extra money. I've sold these for $500 to $1,000 just for a couple cities and states. So this is there. And then from here, we also have this ability to add contact. Okay, so check out this. We can add contact, and then it's going to create a little pop-up. All right, so it says add contact to GHL. I connected this into Aspire Builder. And then you can see we could add the first name manually. So I could literally come in here and I could say Benson. I could add the last name in here and I could say Bingham. And this could be found by going to the Facebook, to the Instagram, to the TikTok, to the LinkedIn. All of these are their links right here. I just made them really accessible. So if you need to, you can click on this and it will pop up like this actual thing. So now you could go on here and you could actually like find their information if you need, right? You can see, look, this is their phone numbers posted right here. All of their socials are right here. You can see like this is very similar to the information that we're grabbing. It's all public information. All we're doing is making it really easy to get that information. That's all we're doing. Okay. So if we click back on here, you can see it automatically fills in all the information that it has. And if there's multiple, it gives you this drop down to be able to filter out and filter the one that you actually want. All right. The next part is we have this address. And then right here, check out this. It says add to automations. Let's go. All right. So now we actually have it where if you see it says interest in having bought, new workflows, outreach. So if I click this, this will literally click this and then I could import to GHL and it's going to add that contact into my outreach flow. All right. You see how it says outreach? It's literally going to be adding it into this, boom, adding in the new trigger, sending this email, and then it will message this person. Okay. So basically it will do any of these things that we actually set up. And I said, what do you guys use to build your website? What is up blank? I was wondering what you guys use to build your website, like WordPress or GHL. All right. So I'm literally outreaching to people using this through this. And I'm going to be outreaching to like a lot of doctors and nurses for my wife's business. And so that's why I'm setting this up. That's why I even built this whole tool. And so what do you guys think so far? You guys like what AI coded up or what? Heck yeah, baby. Heck yeah. So this is the tool. Basically, the next part is to connect it into a GHL marketplace app. I already have a marketplace or a couple marketplace apps. And so now we're actually going to make it where you're actually going to be able to use this inside here. All right. So then you're going to be able to instantly download it. You can see Lead Finder Pro. You're going to be able to instantly download it and be able to install it inside your guys' accounts and kick butt right from there. So heck yeah, guys, comment below what you guys think. And can't wait for some of my friends to get the first chance of getting to use this thing. Let's go, baby. Love you guys.